Good evening, guys. Happy New Year. So today is Saturday and it is my first video of the year, so that's why I was saying Happy New Year. But yeah, I'm about to head out. It's late in the evening. Earlier today I was just straightening up, trying to get everything decorated for no particular season or anything. I'm really taking out most of like spring stuff because I don't like want to decorate for winter. I feel like Christmas was my winter decoration, so now I'm moving on so that I don't have to change anything up until after the summertime. More than likely that's kind of what it's going to be, because I am back to regularly scheduled programming with these projects. Gotta get the kitchen finished. Started doing some things in the family room. You guys saw that I painted the family room. Aside from just painting the family room, I got a new little table. So I got this table right here right before Christmas, and I absolutely love it, love it, love it. I just love how that whole little area over here looks now. And I kind of want to change some other things up in here. This table right here, I listed it on thrift site because I am trying to get rid of it. So I'm gonna be selling my table. It is time for it to go. I have a new look that I want in here. Still, you know, gonna be farmhouse rustic, but I want to get just a prettier one to kind of match this table right here, you know, so it can kind of have a flow. So it'll still be a little farmhouse, but maybe with a little bit more glass and mirror on it. And then yeah, I also listed the bookcase. So if the table goes, the bookcase has to go too. So I'm gonna be getting rid of that. So as soon as it sells, I can order new furniture. But I told myself that I wasn't gonna buy any new furniture until I basically sold the table and the bookcase. That is my vow to myself, because I am not trying to spend that much money. Back to the kitchen. The kitchen is painted. I showed you guys that last time. Love the light gray that it is. This light fixture, I am actually going out to look at light fixtures. I want to order something offline, but I want to see what they have here that I can probably get my hands on without ordering anything online. I have gone all around the cabinets and everything. So in other news, you guys see how all of my my cleaning supplies are on the island and all over the countertop. Why? The garbage disposal got bagged up. Thankfully, Bay, he's so great. Like, he just knows how to do stuff. So he was able to basically take the pipes apart, get underneath the cabinet, and get, I ain't gonna even tell y'all what was stuck in the disposal, right? But anyway, he was able to get all that out, and now it is fine. It was smelling. I'm like, why won't this smell go away? I was putting Clorox down the sink, Lysol down the sink, everything, and it just wasn't working. So thankfully he was able to, you know, fix that. So now that everything's around the cabinet, guess what we're gonna be doing? Under kitchen cabinet organization. Since I already have everything out, I am just going to do some under cabinet organization. So while I'm out, I plan on looking for like some of those 2-tier stands that I can like put things on, so it can have maybe like 2 levels and be organized. And then I have some of those baskets from Dollar Tree. So yeah, guys, a lot going on in the new year. I also need to do kitchen cabinet organization, but you know, one thing at a time, one thing at a time. So anyway, come on out with me, guys. We're about to go out and just get some things. I'm also meeting my auntie to help her look for some more things, because we do have to resume the bathroom projects. So I want to finalize that. That's what we're about to do. I have to hang some shelving up in her bathroom. And yeah. It has been clear all day. Like, it has not rained all day long. The minute I leave the house, it wants to pour down. Like, I cannot win. But anyway, I'm headed to Home Goods. these are some really pretty lamps. Of course, I would love this one right here. How much is it? $59.99. Not bad. Oh my gosh, look at this, guys. Oh my gosh, I love this. $100. I can see that.
So I'm not paying $30, but I'm putting more on the floor.
But one pillow itself is gonna run you about $14.99. So if you buy two, they're $20. And they split it. They can each get a pillow. This is so nice. These are the boys. Navy. So we have been getting stuff for the boys' bathrooms now, and also my aunt's bedroom, because that is going to be the next project after we finish her bedroom, which is going to be awesome. So this is the green. It's $16.99. So she needs some green pillows for her bed, and this is like a teal and gold. So to go with the throw, I'm just gonna get this pillow right here, which is really pretty. We're still gonna need like two more to go on both sides, but this will go with the comforter that she has in her cart. We found another picture for the bedroom, well, the bathroom actually, in here in Hobby Lobby. It is a pretty green, multicolor, got little different color shades and stuff in it, but this is gonna go in the bathroom, and then these are gonna go in the half bathroom downstairs. It's just gonna be like a mini little refresh of the half bathroom, not a complete makeover. Good morning, guys. So it's the next day, and I am in the closet because I'm about to finally clean and organize my closet. It has been a disaster for the past couple of months, and I can't stand it anymore. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead on and get all of my clothes up. I am going to purge some stuff, and also well, once I get everything straightened up, I'll show you guys something that I'm gonna be doing to the vanity, because I did pick up 2 new pieces to add in here, just to kind of give it, you know, a bit more girly. I mean, it's already girly, but you'll see what I'm talking about in a second. But for the most part, y'all, I don't even want to show you what it looks like. I'm actually kind of embarrassed that I have even let it get this far. It's a mess in here. It is like a mess. The crazy thing is, okay, so I've been hanging up my clothes, but when I hang the clothes up, I haven't been like putting them here, like in the like hanging them up. I've just been like laying them in here across the island. So yeah, about to straighten up in here. My shoes, I have not put my shoes on the shelves. Some shoes I need to give away because I realized that I was not wearing them, and I've been buying new shoes, so I need to make space for those. So whew, it's time to clean up in here. I know I want to get this taken care of today because I need to move on to something else, and I'm just like, I can't even believe that I've let my closet look like this. Like, I'm going to show you guys, but no judging. Do not judge me for this. Don't judge me, okay? So, this is what it looks like. These clothes down here are actually clean clothes that need to be put up. I've got my shoes on the floor. Yeah, I need to put all these shoes up. I managed to keep this organized, which I've always said that before. I don't really mess up that area. That's one of the things, like with my jewelry, I do put it back in place. But this pile of clothes right here is what I'm talking about. These are all clean clothes, and they're all on hangers. Like, everything is hung up. I just haven't put it over here on the shelf yet. So I'm gonna go ahead on and take care of that, and some other shoes that need to be put up. And then once I get done with that, I will show you guys what I'm going to be changing with my little vanity in here, so I can actually spend more time in here and clear some of my makeup out of my bathroom, because that's where I've been doing it for the most part, and move it in here, most of it in here, so that the bathroom can just be bathroom stuff and my counters can be a bit more clear and clean in there, and not with like that all the makeup and nail polish and stuff. But yeah, so let's get to cleaning, y'all. Let's get to cleaning. I bought these. These are so cute. So refreshed. I'm feeling good because I'm glad that I was able to get this accomplished today. And I need to go ahead on and go through all of these clothes that's hanging up on this side, which are my dresses and my skirts. Put that pile of clothes up over there, and then I am going to take a break out of here and probably resume tomorrow with like cleaning and putting up like some of my wigs and stuff like that. So for the most part today, I just wanted to make sure I got all my clothes up and everything. So I will show y'all what it looks like once I officially get done. Alright y'all, I'm headed to Dunkin' Donuts. Working from home today, and I need to go to Home Depot and get the board to extend the vanity in my closet that I was working on. So I'm gonna go do that, and hopefully I can buy a board that's already white, because I do not feel like painting it like I had to paint the board in the closet when I first did it. So yeah, hopefully I took the measurements, so it's gonna be longer. No, can I get a small caramel frappe?
Okay, small caramel frozen coffee.
I'm sorry, a small caramel iced coffee.
Iced coffee, not the frappe, right? Not the slushy one.
Right, small caramel iced coffee.
Okay, small caramel iced coffee. You want cream and sugar?
Yes, with cream and sugar, extra caramel, and whipped cream on top.
Not a problem.
Ooh. Thank you. Y'all, this is so good. I'm addicted. I'm supposed to be on keto, but I gotta have this one last time before I really like get started. But I'm thinking maybe they can make it for me with no cream and no sugar, and I can still slide by with it maybe. Oh my gosh, y'all, I be craving this thing. It's so freaking good. Okay, let me just get 2 original wings.
Will this be up?
Mm-hmm.
379 seconds.
Okay, thanks. I need to do some more sourcing. All this stuff that y'all see in the back of my car, I've been sourcing for my client, and because we're working on her office space now, and this is her rug. It's so nice. It's like an off-white. Oh, thank you. Had a message come through. Anyway, but it's like an off-white rug, because we're gonna put a rug underneath her desk. It's gonna be so pretty. I'm so excited to see it come together. I love doing this. Like I love doing this. And then I have an ottoman over here, but that's for me. That's gonna go in the closet. I'm gonna show it to you guys when we get home. When I get home and I put the vanity things together, I'll show y'all what that's gonna look like. But yeah, I really want to make some changes, like just in my day-to-day life. I really want to be able to, you know, do the whole interior decorating thing, and event design, because I also booked a wedding. I booked a wedding coming up in August, which is far from now, but you know, I really enjoy doing this type of stuff, and I want to be able to do it full time. I want to be able to, like, you know, spend all of my days, you know, doing interior decorating or event designing and picking out things for clients, sourcing, going out marketing, meeting other vendors like cake vendors, floral vendors, those people that you work with on a regular, doing this type of stuff, going to event expos and showcases and just things like that. I really want to be able to do that instead of, you know, spending all of my days here working and stuff. So I've been really planning on making that type of change in my life. You know, just really trying to step out on faith with it, you know, which is going to involve me letting go of my full-time job, possibly, if anything, transitioning more into maybe part-time or something. But I have come to the conclusion that I can't give my full-time job 100%, and my other businesses not, you know, hardly the time that I would love. So this is what the vanity looks like now. It's a bit short and I want to extend it out, so I've taken this shoe shelf right here and moved it over against the wall. I also made some space next to my clothes and the clothes rack to give me an extra room on both sides. So now that I have the piece, I am about to begin on that. This is the board that I got cut at Home Depot, which is a bit longer. I am about to paint it white. Right now I just have it laying on two foam boards so that I don't get paint on my carpet. And once I do that, I am going to have to come over here and unscrew this top from these legs and basically put this top on over there. Alright, so the closet is officially clean now. I love the way that it looks. We are going to keep it this way this time, but I've organized everything and got everything back in its proper place. All of my clothes are hung up, no shoes are on the floor. I actually added this rug right here from Ross. It's a white shag rug, and I thought it'd be really pretty to have in here just to, you know, give it a little bit more glam. And also I want to be able to come in here and kind of just sit on the floor sometime and just, you know, work on my laptop and things like that. So it's super soft. Okay, so I didn't get to change the vanity like I was talking about yet because my drill is at my aunt's house and she is out of town. So you guys saw us shopping the other day and we were hanging up curtains in her bedroom and I left my drill over there. So I'm going to have to finish that and I'll show you guys later. But I don't want to hold the video up waiting on the drill because then it'll be a whole nother week before I'm able to like do it. But I'll show you guys when I do expand that space out over there and how I change that up. But I do have my ottoman here that came from Ross. It is it's a really pretty ottoman, and it also has, let me come up some. It also has storage on the inside. Oh, and the tag. Yeah, it was $29.99. So I need to take the tag off of it. But I really like it with the blush pink and the gold on it. And then this is the rug, as you guys can see. It's like a microfiber really, but it's really plush and soft. So good win here. So thanks Daisies for tuning in to this vlog. I will definitely update you once I make the change in here. But in the meantime and in between time, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye Daisies.